Hello friends, in a previous standard you will be learn about the many number of the expansion formulas. Which expansion formulas you can be learn in a previous standard, we just only recall them. So the first expansion formula is A plus B bracket square. So A plus B is the binomial, and you can be learn about the expansion of the binomial square. So the square are the given. So first of all, we can be split up that binomials in their product form. So we can be write down that square in their multiplication product form is A plus B into A plus B. So we get the two binomials. So the binomials are get multiplied to the binomials. You will be learn in a previous standard. So how the binomials are get multiplied to the binomials? So first of all, we have multiplied the A to that binomials, and then after them the B to that binomial. So we can be write down here A in bracket A plus B, then plus B in bracket A plus B. So we have get the product of A into A is the A square. A into A is the A square plus A into B is the AB. Then after that we have multiplied that binomial to the B. So B into A is the BA. We can write down again AB plus B into B is the B square. So we have get the one expansion. So in that expansion we see then AB is the right term, and we know then the right terms are get subtracted or added from one to each other. So we get A square. AB plus AB is the twice AB plus B square. So therefore A plus B bracket square, the expansion of that binomials is A square plus 2AB plus B square. We get the number of the examples by using that binomials is, so the example is 3x plus 4y the bracket square. 3x plus 4y the bracket square. So we have get the square of 3x plus 2 into AB, the product of that two terms, 3x into 4y, and then after them the square of the last term is the 4y bracket square. So what is the square of 3x? The square of 3x is the 9x square plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, x into y, xy plus what is the square of 4? 16 y square. So the expansion of 3x plus 4y bracket square is the 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. We get the another one more example. In that one more example, 5a plus 2b bracket square. 5a plus 2b bracket square. So we get the first term square, 5a square plus 2 into 5a into 2b plus in bracket 2b square. So what is the square of 5? The square of 5 is the 25. So 25a square plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, a into b AB plus what is the square of 2? 4. 4B square. So the expansion of 5A plus 2B square is the 25A square plus 20AB plus 4B square. So the next expansion. The next expansion is A minus B bracket square. We can get A plus B bracket square. Then we have get A minus B the bracket square. It is also the binomials. So in that binomial we have it, see there, the subtraction is only the sign can get changed. So we have again split up in a two binomials form in their product. So A minus B bracket square we have split up there in first bracket A minus B, in second bracket again the A minus B. So that A is multiplied to that binomials and again that minus B is again multiplied to that binomials. So we have multiplied them A in bracket A minus B in bracket A minus B. So A into A is the A square minus the minus sign are available. So plus into minus A into B AB. Again in here the plus and the minus, plus into minus A into B AB. So minus into minus plus, so B into B is the B square. So we have seen that two in that expansion, that two are the like terms and both terms are show the negative sign. So the addition can take place in between them, but the answer show negative sign. A square minus, the answer of that subtraction is minus 2AB plus B square. So therefore expansion of A minus B bracket square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. We get some examples according to that expansion. So the first example is 3x minus 6y bracket square. 3x minus 6y bracket square. So the expansion is 3x square minus 2 into 3x into 6y plus 6y bracket square. What is the square of 3? Is the 9. X square minus 6 3s are 18, 18 2 are 36 xy plus what is the square of 6? 36 y square. The expansion of 3x minus 6y bracket square is 9x square minus 36xy plus 36y square. So the second example is 4a minus 7b bracket square is 4a square minus 2 into 4a into 7b plus in bracket 7b bracket square. So what is the square of 4? 16 a square minus 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56 ab plus what is the square of 7? 49 b square. The expansion of 4a minus 7b bracket square is 16a square minus 56ab plus 49b square. So in this way we can be studied that expansion in a previous standard. So in that standard we have studied about the new expansion. So that new expansion is also depends upon how we can get the product of the binomials, where the one binomials are get multiplied to the another binomials, and we have get the expansion of them. So in that standard we also learn about the such some different expansions. So in that standard we can be studied about expansion of x plus a and x plus b. Expansion of x plus a and x plus b. In a previous standard, we have learned the expansion of square of the binomials. So, in a previous standard, we will be learn about the expansion of square of the binomials. But in here, we have studied the expansion of two different binomials. We have seen the first binomial x plus a and the second binomial x plus b. So what is the expansion of that binomials? We know then when we can find out the expansion of square of the binomials, we have multiplied the two binomials from one to each other. In here we have also multiplied that binomials from one to each other. How? So first of all, that x is multiplied to completely of that binomials x plus b, and then after them the a is multiplied completely of that binomials. So how we can multiply it? X into x is the x square plus x into b xb plus a into x xa plus a into b is the a. In a previous expansion we have seen the middle two terms are the like terms, and then after them we have add them to each other. But in that expansion we have seen the middle terms are never like to each other, but the middle terms are show the one variable is a common, and we can withdraw that common separately. So we get x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus a. So therefore we have get the expansion of x plus a and in bracket x plus b is the x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus ab, or we have write down in a different ways x plus a in another bracket x plus b is the x square plus a plus bx plus a. So by using that expansion formulas, we have solved the many number of the problems, and that problems are given in our exercise. So therefore by using that expansion formulas we can solve the first practice set of the 5th chapter, expansion formula. So we will be write down the expansion formula first. X plus A, x plus B is equal to x square plus AB, x plus A. So the practice set 5.1. So in that practice set 5.1, we will begin the many number of the examples, and we have solved some examples on our blackboard. So the first example is in bracket a plus 2 and in another bracket a minus 1. In bracket a plus 2 and in another bracket a minus 1. We can be solve that examples without using the expansion formula. How we can be solve it? We just only try it, and then after that we have used the expansion formulas. So when we will be try to solve that expansion is we get the two binomials. The first binomial is the a plus 2 and the second binomial is the a minus 1. So the a is multiplied with the second binomial a minus 1. Then after that plus 2 is multiplied again the second binomial is a minus 1. So therefore a into a square minus a into 1 is the only a plus 2 into a is a twice a plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. So therefore a square. So we have seen that these are the like terms. So 2a and minus a. So we can be done the subtraction in here. So the a is get subtracted into the 2a. We get the answer is the 1a. So the plus 1a minus 2. So therefore the expansion of a plus 2 in bracket a minus 1 is a square plus a minus 2. We can solve it by putting the in expansion formulas. So the another method or so what is the value of x? The value of x is the a. What is the value of b? A. The value of a is the 2. And what is the value of b? The value of b is the minus 1. The value of x is the a. The value of a is a 2 and the value of b is a minus 1. So the expansion formulas. So therefore we can write down a plus 2 and in another bracket a minus 1 is equal to. So the first one is the x square. X square, that means the a square. Then a plus b. A plus b, that means plus in bracket 2 minus 1 2 plus b. The b show the minus sign. So therefore 2 minus 1 a plus a into b. A into b into 2 into minus 1. So the a square 2 minus 1 1 plus 1a. So the plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. So therefore a square plus a minus 2. The answer are remain get constant. So you will be solve it by the two different ways, by using the expansion formulas or to get directly product of the one binomial to the another binomial. So we have solved another different examples. So the another different example is p plus 8 in another bracket p minus 3. P plus 8 and in another bracket p minus 3. So how we can solve it? We have directly solved by using the expansion formulas. So what is the value of x? The value of x is a p. What is the value of a? The value of a is the 8. And what is the value of b? The value of b is the minus 3. So p plus 8 in another bracket p minus 3 is equal to the expansion formula x square. The value of x is the p, that means the p square, plus in bracket a plus b 8 plus, that means the minus 8 minus 3 p plus a into b 8 into minus 3. So the p square plus 8 minus 3 5 p plus into minus 8 3s are 24. The expansion of 8 plus p plus 8 in bracket p minus 3 is a p square plus 5p minus 24. We get the one more example. The one more example is 3x plus 4y and in another bracket 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 4y in another bracket 3x plus 5y. So the value of x is the 3x, the value of a is the 4y and the value of b is the 5y. The value of x is a 3x, the value of a is a 4y and the value of b is a 5y. So the expansion is 3x plus 4y in bracket 3x plus 5y is equal to x square, that means 3x square plus in bracket a plus b 4y plus 5b into 3x plus a into b 4y into 5. What is the square of 3x? Is the 9x square plus what is its sum? 5y plus 4y 9y into 3x plus what is its product? 5 into 4 20 is the y square. Then 9x square plus what is its product? 9 3s are 27 xy plus 20 y square. The expansion of 3x plus 4y in another bracket 3x plus 5y is 9x square plus 27xy plus 20 y square. So in this way we can be solve the number of the examples by using the such expansion formulas. We get the one more example. So the one more example is m plus 2 by 3 in another bracket m minus 7 by 3. M plus 2 by 3 in another bracket m minus 7 by 3. So what is the value of x? The value of x is the n. What is the value of a? Is the 2 by 3. And what is the value of b? Is the minus 7 by 3. Putting down the values in expansion formulas. So m plus 2 by 3 into m minus 7 by 3 is x square, that means m square, plus in bracket a plus b, that means 2 by 3 plus plus into minus 7 by 3 x, that means m, plus 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 3 m square plus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. The both are shown, the denominator are the same. So the subtraction are directly take place in a numerator. 2 minus 7 m plus into minus, and the multiplication are take place to the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 2 into 7 and 3 into 3. M square in bracket 2 minus 7. The 7 are the greater. They have shown the negative sign. Answer will also show the negative sign. 7 minus 2, 5 minus 5 by 3 m minus 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9. So the answer will be m square. Bracket show the plus sign and in bracket minus sign, plus into minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. The expansion of m plus 2 by 3 into m minus 7 by 3 is m square minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. So in this way we will be solve the number of the examples by using such expansion formula.